go a different road?
No, let's do it.
No, you know what I could do? I can stand over there. You can point it at me.
Okay.
You'll understand what we're doing in a sec, I think.
Hi, I'm Mike Agerbo.
Don't do that one.
I'm just going to walk away now. Don't panic. I'll be right back.
Okay.
So we're featuring the Microsoft LifeCam. This is a really high-end webcam for your laptop or your desktop. And it's high definition, so it does 720p, but it also has augmented reality, meaning that
I got a hat.
you can actually select different things, different faces, and like a cat face or a hat. Can you and move around though?
Yeah,
Watch
move
this.
around.
Move around. See, it actually follows you around.
So, okay, wait. Let me do another one.
So I'm going to select. So this is kind of a cool thing. So if you're doing any type of web conferencing, the people on the other end will actually see what you're projecting on this particular video. So if you've got a little cowboy hat on or buggy eyes, they can see the same thing.
Cowboy hat's the only one that worked.
Let me do the big mouth one. Is that working?
Yeah, it's kind of
Is that working?
Mm-hmm.
Smile?
Maybe he has a big mouth already. I don't know.
Look like I'm a roll.
Okay, wait, there's one more.
Okay.
So this particular camera goes for about $100. So excellent for video conferencing and also high definition video. Look, you got little
That's so cute.
Little pink face.
That is so cute.
That's great.
All right.
Okay.
So what were you saying about this?
Hold it a second.
It's a high-definition webcam. It's a Microsoft LifeCam. It's probably one of the cooler ones that I've come across. It's got a noise-canceling microphone in it as well, so great for web conferencing and just taking high-quality video
And
as well.
that's what you want when having a high-powered web conference meeting, is someone to put a cowboy hat or rat ears on.
You know what? There's nothing that says I mean business like having a cowboy hat on and the funny mouth on it as well.
Okay, that's neat. How much is this?
About $100.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you know, not a bad price for like a high-definition webcam.
I like this laptop.
Yeah, it's kind of dirty. This is the latest wireless Microsoft mouse. This one's cool. It's using something called Blue Track technology. So sometimes with these wireless mice, depending on the surface, it doesn't really track that well. Like
I've noticed that at home on the kitchen table. Not good.
This one will work on your kitchen table now. And it's got a little nano receiver as well. You know those little dongles you have to put in your laptop?
A little what?
Dongle?
It's called a
dongle? What is that, an Australian animal?
It's a dongle. Here, I'll hold it up one more time. So this is a nano receiver. And essentially, to make it wireless, you have to have a wireless transmitter on your laptop.
Okay.
And in the past, they were like these big things.
Oh, okay.
Now, on the USB port on the side, you can essentially plug it in.
Is that what they're really called? If I go into Future Shop and ask for a dongle, are they going to laugh at me, or are they going to actually know what I'm talking about?
They'll probably laugh at you, but... So watch this here. So I'm pushing that in. You can see how tiny it is now. So you just leave it in all the time. In the past, they were like 10 times the size, and they'd always break.
Okay.
So nice tiny little nano transmitter and also Blue Track technology.
So it's better to have a small dongle than a big one.
In this situation,
I'm talking computers.
That would be essentially true.
That's what I'm talking.
How big is big enough?
Depends how you use the dongle, I imagine.
Anyways, let's talk about this.
Microsoft's never going to send me any more stuff.
Any more free stuff, you're going to have to start paying for it.
This is kind of cool for road warriors. You know, a lot of people have laptops now. This is a Bluetooth wireless mobile keyboard. So you can actually take this with you traveling. You can see how thin and small it is. And a lot of laptops now have Bluetooth wireless technology. So instead of having to sit on a cramped little keyboard, you can have a little more spacious keyboard and a numeric pad as well.
What would be the reason for this?
Because you want to do some numbers.
Your number.
Why can't we just connect them all together?
Well, maybe you don't want to take that with you, but now you have like the flexibility.
I like that option of having it.
It's just like a giant calculator.
It is.
Well, yeah, but there's lots of people actually do numbers.
Okay.
Like Excel spreadsheets and things.
Okay.
And this here goes for around the I think the $90 price range as well.
All right. Thank you, Mike Agerbo.
That was great.
If you want any of these products or have any more questions, you can contact
better than usual.
Mike
thank you.
Agerbo, slowly taking over the world. GetConnectedMedia.com. Wes, so what do you think?
Not that the other times aren't good, but this was exceptional.
She knows what a dongle is. You know what a dongle is, don't you?
And
Apparently, the smaller the better.
How big do you like your dongles? That's the question.
I'm not sure, but I do like my sunshine. How about that? 5 degrees is your high today. 5 degrees is our high tomorrow. I don't want to get in trouble by getting into this conversation.
We are discussing computer accessories.
Yes.
That's essentially what we're talking about here.
That's all
These are important questions that computer people ask every day.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Are we out of time?
Yes. No, we've got 15
No,
seconds.
we are not out of time, unfortunately. We have more time to dig
Show
ourselves
everybody how you
holes.
type. Honestly, show people how you type.
Good idea, Randine.
Wow.
Like watching paint dry.
It's like 10
4 fingers, it's
WPM.
all you
I
need.
swear
Show
that's
that.
how he does it.
That's all. That's serious. That's all you need.